We should not take that phrase literally, because for me, love is blind is it's not talking about what the feeling about the feeling that they are talking about but for me, love is blind in a sense that there's no such feeling or there's no such standard that you are looking for in order for you to have that kind of feeling to that person. So yes, so love is blind because there's no such principle or kind of standard to set just to boost that feeling for love.
Look at there, maybe.
Pero susunod ko ng lalaki na kung hapuli mo, gawain ko mo kita ko. So, in your own opinion, we do this for ginagawa sa mga bakit at matter of their own opinion. Hindi ka sa gender.